I feel like I want to remind the Virgos, don't waste your time getting involved in situations that have nothing to do with you. There's a bit of temptation for you to get involved in situations that have nothing to do with you. And that could be just putting your opinion in. What you don't realize is once you start to get involved, forgive me, what you may not realize. Sometimes we forget our own realizations. But when you give energy and attention to matters that have nothing to do with you, and you start putting, your 2 cents worth, your opinion, your ideas, and so on and so forth, you then start to become full of things that you don't need in your own mind. It takes up a lot of your own mental space. And the truth is, for the Virgos right now, it's about emptying as much as you possibly can. And the reason that right now in your life it's about emptying as much as you possibly can is because over the next, I want to say, 2 months or so, you will have the opportunity to bring a dream that you couldn't even fathom right now to bring to fruition. And it's a huge opportunity for you. So don't give energy and attention to matters that have nothing to do with you. Anything that doesn't inspire you or move you isn't for you, regardless of the situation. So be very careful, especially even in scrolling on social media. Everything takes your energy away from you. Everything drains you if you keep giving it energy. Be mindful of this.